Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever worried about losses in the stock market, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the crucial topic of saving from losses, stocks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these tips will help you navigate the stock market with confidence. Understanding risk. Before we jump in, let's talk about risk. Investing in stocks involves risk. There's no guaranteed way to avoid losses. However, with the right strategies, you can minimize them. Tip 1. Due diligence. Our first tip is due diligence. Before investing in any company, do your homework. Look into their financial health, track record, and growth potential. A solid foundation of research can help you make informed decisions. Tip 2. Diversification. Diversification is your safety net. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries and sectors. If one area faces challenges, your losses will be balanced by gains in others. Tip 3. Setting stop losses. Setting stop-loss orders is like having a security blanket. It's a predetermined point at which you'll sell a stock if its price drops. This can prevent your losses from snowballing. Tip 4. Long-term mindset. Think long-term. The stock market can be volatile in the short run, but historically, it has shown growth over time. Be patient and avoid making hasty decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Tip 5. Emotional control. Controlling your emotions is your secret weapon. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment. Stick to your strategy and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Bonus tip. And here's a bonus tip for you: consider dollar-cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum, invest a fixed amount regularly. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. To sum it up, safeguarding your investments from losses requires due diligence, diversification, setting stop losses, a long-term approach, and emotional control. Remember, losses are a part of investing, but with these strategies, you're better equipped to minimize their impact. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful videos. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to smart investing.